Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is nature and scope of foreign trade. Okay, let's start. Meaning of international trade. Foreign trade refers to the trade with foreign countries. It means buying and selling goods by one country with the other countries. Foreign trade, international trade means the trade which is spread beyond the boundaries of a country. It involves exchange of goods and services between the citizen of two or more countries. For example, India's trade with UK, USA and Japan is foreign trade. So, if you can walk in the supermarket and find South American bananas, Brazilian coffees, you are experiencing the impact of foreign trade. Foreign trade allows countries to expand their market. Okay, so in foreign trade, the market is more competitive. In foreign trade, the market is more competitive. This is ultimately result in more competitive pricing and bring a cheaper product to the consumer. Okay, okay. Foreign trade can be three kinds. First one is import trade. It implies purchase of goods from a foreign country. Buying oil by India from Kuwait is an example of import trade. India import goods which it does not produce or which are in short supply. In India, trade goods are brought from abroad to the home country. So, in import trade, if India buying the goods and services from the foreign countries like America, USA, कुछ बाय करते हैं, यूएसए से बाय कर रहे हैं या अमेरिका से बाय करते हैं, देन वी से import trade. So in import trade, we purchase the goods and services from abroad. Secondly, export trade. It means the sale of goods to a foreign countries. Selling the tea by India and England is an example of to England is an example of export trade. In export trade, the goods are sent from the home countries for sale abroad. So, export trade means selling the goods and services to abroad. For example, if India in India एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस बहुत होते हैं, तो इफ इंडिया इंडियन प्रोड्यूसर्स selling their agricultural produce to America and USA, etc. So तो उसको हम कहेंगे एक्सपोर्ट ट्रेड. सो व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन import and trade and export trade? Simply, in import we buying the goods from abroad, and in export we selling the goods to abroad. Okay, next one is interport trade. Next one is interport trade. It refers the purchase of goods from abroad for the purpose of sale to some other countries. It involves both the import and export goods. For example, India may import oil from Iraq and export a part of it to Bhutan. Interport trade is also known as re-exports. Okay, so in interport trade, two or more countries involved in the buying and selling of the goods and services. Suppose there are three countries, India, China and USA. इंडिया ने कुछ प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज बाय किया फ्रॉम चाइना एंड देन फर्दर रिसेल कर दिया टू यूएसए. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरपोर्ट ट्रेड. ओके.